Welcome back to SR English Conversation Channel, where you improve your English through fun, natural conversations.
No boring lessons, just real English you can use every day.
If you're ready to speak with more confidence, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
All right, let's get started.
Section 1. Why do people ask this?
Paul, can I ask you something honestly? Uh-oh, that sounds dangerous. Go ahead.
Have people ever asked you, why are you so quiet?
More times than I can count. In school, at work, at family parties, even on my first date.
Really?
Yeah, the funny part? I wasn't unhappy. I was just observing.
That's actually very common. Some people speak to think, others think before they speak.
I'm definitely the second one. Sometimes my brain is loading, like slow internet.
Loading. Loading. Still loading.
Exactly. Meanwhile, everyone else has already changed the topic.
Here's something important. Being quiet doesn't mean you're unfriendly. It doesn't mean you're rude. It doesn't mean you're boring. Sometimes you're simply listening, and that's a wonderful skill.
Speaking practice.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I was just listening. Pause. Again. I was just listening. One more time. I enjoy listening more than talking. Great job.
Section 2. Natural answers. Okay, Emily. Suppose someone asks me, why are you so quiet? What should I say? Because my brain usually says nothing.
Let's fix that. Here are some natural answers. Number 1, I'm just thinking. Simple, natural, friendly.
Easy. I'm just thinking. I like that.
Number 2, I'm enjoying the conversation. That's a nice compliment.
That's smart. People feel appreciated.
Exactly. Number 3, I'm a little shy at first.
Oh, that's me.
And that's okay. Many people understand. Here's another one. I'm more of a listener.
That sounds confident, not embarrassed.
Exactly. Confidence changes everything.
Mini story. Can I tell you something funny?
Always.
At a birthday party, someone asked, why are you so quiet? I panicked and I answered, because my mouth is closed.
Technically, that's true.
Everyone laughed, luckily, but I wanted to disappear.
See, moments like that happen to everyone. Don't worry if your answer isn't perfect. People remember your smile much more than your grammar.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after Emily. I'm just thinking. I'm enjoying the conversation. I'm a little shy. I'm more of a listener. Excellent.
Section 3. Why English learners stay quiet.
Let's be honest. Many English learners aren't actually quiet, they're translating.
Let's be honest. Many English learners aren't actually quiet. They're translating.
Exactly. Translate, check grammar, choose vocabulary, pronunciation, confidence, everything at once.
And by the time I'm ready, the conversation has moved on.
That's why fluency isn't about knowing thousands of words. It's about responding naturally. Even simple English works. Instead of searching for the perfect sentence, say the simple sentence.
Simple beats perfect. I love that.
Quick practice. Emily says, I'm tired today. You repeat, I'm tired today. Emily says, I need a second. You repeat, I need a second. Emily says, I'm still thinking. You repeat, I'm still thinking. Fantastic.
Section 4. How to keep the conversation going. Here's my biggest problem. After I answer, the conversation dies.
Easy solution. Ask a question back. For example, I'm just thinking. How about you?
Oh, like throwing the ball back.
Exactly. Conversation is tennis, not bowling.
Wait, bowling?
Yes, don't throw one sentence and walk away. Keep the conversation moving. Here are some easy questions. What do you think? Really? How was your day? What happened? Tell me more. I love tell me more. People enjoy talking about themselves.
Exactly. And while they talk, you get more listening practice. Everybody wins. Funny moment. Imagine someone says, "Why are you so quiet?" And you answer, "I'm saving my words."
Like they're expensive. Inflation, words cost money now. Well, maybe not, but confidence is valuable.
Section 5. A little confidence.
Can I tell you something?
Sure.
Some of the kindest people I've ever met were quiet. Some of the smartest people were quiet. Some of the strongest people were quiet. Being loud isn't the same as being confident.
Wow, I needed to hear that.
English isn't a competition. You don't have to speak the most, you just need to speak a little more than yesterday. That's progress.
1 sentence today, 2 tomorrow. Small steps.
Exactly. Confidence grows through action, not perfection.
Final speaking challenge.
Let's practice one final conversation. Why are you so quiet? Pause. Possible answer, I'm just listening. Again, I'm just listening. Another answer, I'm thinking. Again, I'm thinking. One more, I'm enjoying the conversation. Perfect, you're doing great. Paul, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's up?
Has anyone ever looked at you and asked, why are you so quiet?
Oh, yes, more times than I can remember.
Really? How did you feel?
Honestly, a little awkward. I wasn't upset or angry, I was just listening and thinking. But suddenly I felt like everyone was looking at me.
I think a lot of people can relate to that. Being quiet doesn't mean you're unfriendly. Sometimes you're just comfortable listening.
Exactly. Some people love talking and some people love listening. Both are completely normal.
That's true. And if you're learning English, you might stay quiet because you're translating in your head.
That's me. Someone asks me a question and my brain starts working so hard.
Like a computer with too many tabs open?
Exactly. I'm thinking about grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and by the time I'm ready, the conversation has already moved on.
Don't worry if that happens to you. Every English learner experiences it. The important thing is to keep trying.
So being quiet isn't the problem, giving up is.
Exactly. And today, we're going to learn some easy, natural answers you can use the next time someone asks, why are you so quiet?
Perfect, because I definitely need those answers.
Part 3. How to answer, why are you so quiet?
Okay, Emily, this is the moment I've been waiting for. If someone asks me, "Why are you so quiet?" what should I say?
First, don't panic. Most people aren't trying to be rude. They're just curious.
That's good to know. So what's the easiest answer?
Here's the first one. I'm just listening. It's simple, polite, and natural.
I like that. It sounds confident.
Exactly. Now repeat after me. I'm just listening. Pause.
One more time.
I'm just listening.
Nice. What's another one?
You can say, I'm just thinking. Maybe you're thinking about the conversation or trying to find the right words.
That's definitely me. Sometimes I'm thinking so much that I forget to speak.
It happens to everyone. Let's practice. I'm just thinking. Pause. Great.
Give us another one.
Sure. I'm a little shy at first. This is honest and very common.
That's a great answer because many people feel the same way.
Exactly. And here's another natural one. I'm enjoying the conversation. That tells the other person you're interested, even if you're not talking much.
Wow, that's a really positive answer.
It is. Now, everyone repeat after me. I'm enjoying the conversation. Pause. Excellent.
So let's review.
Go ahead.
If someone says, "Why are you so quiet?" you can answer, "I'm just listening. I'm just thinking. I'm a little shy at first. I'm enjoying the conversation."
Perfect. Remember, you don't need a long answer. A short, friendly sentence is enough.
I already feel more confident. Next time someone asks me that question, I won't freeze.
That's the goal. Small, simple answers build real confidence.
Part 4. Keep the conversation going. Emily, I have another problem.
What's that?
Even when I answer the question, the conversation just stops.
That's because you answered, but you didn't continue the conversation.
So what should I do?
Here's a simple trick. After you answer, ask a question back.
Really? That's it?
Yep. For example, someone asks, "Why are you so quiet?" You say, "I'm just listening. How about you?"
Oh, now the other person starts talking.
Exactly. A conversation is like a game of catch. You throw the ball, and they throw it back.
I like that. Much easier than trying to think of a long answer.
Here are a few easy questions you can use. How's your day going? What do you think? What have you been up to? Tell me more.
Tell me more is my favorite. It sounds friendly, and people usually have a lot to say.
That's true. People enjoy talking about their experiences.
So let's try a real conversation.
Great idea. Paul, why are you so quiet?
I'm just listening. How about you?
I'm talking a lot today. I had a really busy morning.
Oh, really? What happened?
I spilled coffee on my shirt before work.
Oh no, was it at least good coffee?
Thankfully, yes, but my shirt didn't enjoy it.
Poor shirt.
See, the conversation keeps going because you asked a simple question. Your turn. Repeat after me. I'm just listening. Pause. How about you? Pause. What do you think? Pause. Tell me more. Pause. Excellent.
Those 4 sentences are easy to remember and they'll help you sound much more natural.
Exactly. You don't need perfect English. You just need to keep the conversation moving.
And the more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Part 5. Your voice matters.
Emily, can I be honest?
Of course.
Sometimes I stay quiet because I'm afraid of making mistakes.
You know what? That's one of the biggest fears English learners have.
Really? I thought it was just me.
Not at all. Millions of people feel the same way. They worry about grammar, pronunciation, or using the wrong word.
That's exactly what's happening in my head.
But here's the truth. People usually don't care if your English is perfect. They care that you're trying to communicate.
So making mistakes is normal.
Absolutely. Every fluent English speaker made mistakes when they were learning. Mistakes aren't the enemy, they're part of the journey.
I like that. Instead of being afraid of mistakes, I should learn from them.
Exactly. Every conversation makes you a little better than yesterday.
So if I only know a few simple sentences, that's okay.
More than okay. Simple English is real English. A short, clear sentence is always better than saying nothing.
That's really encouraging.
And remember, being quiet doesn't mean you have nothing to say. Sometimes you just need a little confidence to say it.
Mic drop. Speaking practice.
Let's practice together one last time. Repeat after me. I'm just listening. Pause. I'm just thinking. Pause. I'm a little shy at first. Pause. I'm enjoying the conversation. Pause. Let's keep talking. Pause. Excellent.
Wow, those sentences are so simple, but they make me feel much more confident.
That's the power of practicing. The more you say these phrases, the more natural they'll become.
So the next time someone asks, "Why are you so quiet?"
You'll have the confidence to smile, answer naturally, and keep the conversation going.
And who knows, that one simple conversation might lead to a new friendship.
Exactly. Every great conversation starts with just one sentence.
And that's it for today's conversation.
We hope you learned some simple, natural English expressions that you can use in real life.
Remember, you don't have to speak perfect English. Just speak a little more every day.
Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward becoming more confident.
Now, we have a question for you.
Have you ever been asked, "Why are you so quiet?"
If yes, how did you answer?
Or, after today's lesson, how would you answer?
Write your answer in the comments. We read your comments and they inspire our future podcast episodes.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English conversation.
And if you know a friend who's learning English, share this video with them. Learning is always more fun together.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing in yourself.
And keep speaking English every single day.
See you in the next episode. Take care and bye.